Welcome, in front of me is a DOOPRO P5 and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's go into the settings and from there let's find storage. So there it is, storage. And when you scroll a little bit lower, you can see your SD card right here. Tap on it, and once it takes you to it, tap on the three dots up here and go into settings. And in the settings you can see the option to format. So choose that. It will give you a message that this process will remove all the data from the SD card, so if there is anything on it that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin, otherwise you will lose the data permanently. But assuming you have done that or you don't care, tap on erase and format. The process will begin and it only takes several seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So afterwards, it also gives you a message that you can set this as a default writing disk. So what this means is, for instance, when you're taking photos, it will automatically save it to the SD card instead of the phone. So it's just a preference. If you want it, you can choose it. All the apps and everything that you install will automatically go to your SD card. I'm just gonna tap on cancel for now. So tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.